Today, I'll show you how to add a new page in Webflow. Whether you're a seasoned Webflow user or just starting out, adding new pages to your site is a fundamental skill that can help expand your website's functionality and structure. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you gain a clear understanding of each action you need to take. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that displays all the projects you're currently working on. Take a moment to locate the specific site where you want to add a new page. When you found it, click on the site's thumbnail to open it. After you've selected your site, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll find a vertical toolbar. Among the options, look for the one labeled Pages. This section is your gateway to managing all the existing pages within your site, as well as creating new ones. Click on Pages to proceed. Within the Pages section, you'll notice a list of all the current pages your website has. To add a new page, look for the plus icon usually situated at the top of this section. Clicking this icon is your first step towards creating a new page. The plus icon is a universal symbol for adding or creating new content, so it's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with its location in any software you use. Once you click the plus icon, you'll see a dialog box or panel pop up, prompting you to enter details for your new page. At this stage, you have a couple of options. You can either create a completely new page from scratch by selecting New Page, or you can choose a new page template if you prefer to start with a pre-designed layout. Using a template can save time and ensure consistency across your site, especially if you want your pages to share a similar look and feel. Whichever option you choose, you'll then be able to name your new page. It's important to give your page a descriptive and relevant name, as this will help you organize your site and make navigation easier for both you and your visitors. Once you've decided on a name, confirm your choice, and your new page will be added to the list within the Pages section. From here, you can begin customizing your new page to fit your needs. Whether you're adding text, images, or other elements, Webflow provides a range of tools to help you design a page that meets your vision. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new page to your Webflow site. With practice, this process will become second nature, allowing you to build out your website efficiently and effectively. Remember, the more you experiment and explore, the more proficient you'll become in using Webflow to its fullest potential. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.